Streamer Tips, Part 5.
It's your boy Time Good Vibes. What's going on, you guys? I got another streaming tip for you guys. Last one for the night. For my fellow Streamlabs OBS users or OBS studios, whatever you prefer or whatever you like, I got another tip for you guys. If you guys watched my last tip, this is my introduction before I start streaming. Of course, you gotta go into Discord, make sure you go share whatever you need to share, go check out your social medias, whatever like that. This is my personal intro, and this is what occurs. It shows you your Discord, it shows you my YouTube, it shows my logo. How I did this, I went to the Streamlabs OBS website, and I'll show you here right now. For you guys to log in, whatever you want to use. Continue on Twitch. Open that Streamlabs OBS, scroll down here, and then go to Intro Maker. And then you can pick various types of different type colors intros. This is mine right here. This is the one I use. I edited it in and did everything else. And then, they got a couple. This will work for any of you guys on Streamlabs OBS or OBS Studios. It will download as a file, and then make sure you make a folder for it. That way you can find it faster, or if you already have streaming files across your whole computer, and post it to your stream. It's your boy Time Good Vibes. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Catch you guys next time.